welding is it's like a tree, bro. There's a lot of things you can do. You know, there's pipe, there's structural, there's TIG, there's MIG, there's flux. We got the sparks, we got the fire, you got welding, you got the torches. But it's for everybody, you know what I mean? Young, old, just find your niche.
It's all hands on mostly, and I like to play with the tools, the equipment, and then there's a lot of processes you can learn. It's growing, man, and there's money to be made in it, man. A lot of money to be made in it.
It's artistic. You can create a lot of stuff by cutting, putting stuff together, building. Well, our community is getting impacted because of the workforce. There's demand on the welders, so not only for here, but also around the state, around the world.
Most thing I like about welding is the fabrication part. You can build race cars. I believe it's a fun trade, and also if you become a really good welder, you can make very good money. SU makes you happy.